morning to all of you. Myself, Dinesh Kumar from RPIIT Technical and Medical Campus Karnal. Today, I am going to discuss about styles of table service. Style of table service. Style of table service is defined how, by what dishes are used, and by what utensils are used, and the manner of presenting a meal to the guest. All these things we are discussed here, by what dishes we are served in table service, and what are the utensils or service gear we are used, and in which manner or how we can serve the meal in front of the guest. If we talk about the styles of table service, styles of table service include, we can do the table service by different of styles like French, Russian, English and family, butler, buffet, counter, self-service, cafeteria, home meal, replacement. Style of table service. Type of service, in particularly restaurant, is best defined by desired target market, and types of service defined by consistency in menu, decor, uniform, table setting, ambience, and cuisines. All these things are perfect in basically styles of table service. Classic menu. Goal is to meet sincerely need of denier, cold to hot, light to heavy, today sweet served after savory, coffee with desserts or its own courses. Types of menu. Basically, the three types of menu, the hot menu, prefix menu, a la carte menu. If we talk about the hot menu, menu is of the host choice with a category price fixed by entree choice. Prefix menu, set meal at set price, no choice available in front of the customer. A la carte menu, from the card or the guest is choose his dishes from the card, each item priced separately, guest combine as they wish. Service style, French service. Service à la française, three courses cooked mostly tableside, cooked from a gardion. Advantages: elegant, showcase food, high check average. Disadvantages: need highly trained staff, high labor cost, capital investment in cart, fewer turns of table, fewer tables in dining room. Service style, platter service. Russian service or service a la Russe in US, right side of plate and left side of food, counter clockwise, serving fork, spoon from the silver plate. Used in banquet, basically these types of platter service, faster than French service, fully cooked, hot food served at table quickly. Advantage: elegant, faster than French service. Disadvantage: need trained staff, capital investment at silver service. Butler service. Similar to Russian service, guests are served themselves. It means the guest takes his food from herself. Offered from left side for food, counterclockwise, serving fork and spoon used by guest. Advantages: personalized service, guests choose portion size. Disadvantages: space, capital investment, silver platters, poor portions, control, time consuming. So thank you to all of you. If you have any query, then write me at dis@rpiit.com. Please like and subscribe our YouTube channel.